Introducing the DIY Outdoor Kitchen's wraparound welded split bar counter kit. With this kit, you get a section here for the end of your module, and you get this wraparound connector here that's pre-cut to make this angle. The straight split bar on the back side of your modules is sold separately. You're getting this part here. This is a fantastic way to make a wraparound. You could do it on both ends if you want. You can do it on one end. It's really a great product that makes a beautiful wraparound split bar. Let's show how to assemble it. Okay, first we lay out the parts. We lay out our 3 bar height tubes here, our catcher track on the bottom, angle iron and catcher track for up here. So now we'll go ahead and assemble this. So now we're screwing in the catcher track to the bottom of the cantilevers. We just screw on one side here, the side facing out. We don't put screws on the back of this so it'll be nice and flush to the module. We take our tape measure and we find the center here to install the center cantilever. We found it was around 16.5 inches or so. Now we're going to go ahead and screw the catcher track on here. It makes it much easier to screw by having it like this, screwing down towards the ground. So that's very easy. 1 screw per cantilever here. Perfect. We'll take our angle iron and we'll set it on here and we'll put in screws. We recommend using pan head screws that are thinner on the top here. You can buy those at your local hardware store. We only put the screws on top on this side, so when the cement board's installed, it'll have a slight angle and it will shed the water in this direction away from your outdoor kitchen. That's why we put the screws on this side, but not on the top here. Here we just do from below to help shed water. We take our split bar here and we slide it into the end of the module. We take our clamp and we'll clamp it onto the front here so it's nice and flush on the front. Then we'll go ahead after this. We'll take our VT here and make sure it's flush on one side to do our connector plates here. So you will probably have to unscrew this VT and move it to be flush. So now we've got it nice and flush here, and we're going to re-screw back the VT in the right position. So now we're going to go ahead and screw in our connector plate in the center here. You can see the excess sticks out towards the inside of the island so we can hit it with a hammer. One from the big tube and then one in the small tube. And then we'll do one lower, one high, and one down lower, down there. A little higher. Yeah, right in there. Great. And we'll just screw that in. We take the 4th connector plate and we put it in the center here. So we got 3 in the middle. You can see we took the hammer and we hit these so that they will be even stronger wrapped around the inside here. So that's nice. So now you can see we have our split bar installed on the end, and we already had our split bar that was sold separately on the back. And now we're going to install our angle piece here, the wraparound corner, I think what it's called. Also, if you want to make this a little bit stronger, you can put a 3rd screw in here and here with a straight, and then attach your angle iron. That would have 3 screws and be even stronger. So you might want to do it like that. Snoopy, quiet on the set. So now we have it all installed here, our wraparound split bar counter piece here. It worked out perfect, it's very nice and looks great. A great way to make a wraparound split bar counter. Thank you.